Hello everyone, Glenn here, dressed to kill as usual. Been exercising a bit more, dropping a few pounds, so feeling pretty good. Well, anyway, so I don't have tons of time today, and I was kind of thinking about what I can do and something I might be able to use around the house, and I thought that I would work on a simple treble style hook. Not too sure if you can see this, but it's pretty simple. So I've got this piece of rod here. I think it's about 7 or 8 millimeters diameter, and it's 13 inches long. And so I want to use this one piece to make a treble hook. So what I want to do is first bend it like this. I measured it out and I've marked it. So I figure that a length here to here is about 3.5 inches, 3.5, 3.5. And then the top here, where it's going to be rounded off, is about 2.5, so total 13 inches. So I'll bend it in that general shape like that, and then I'll try to squish that together like such, and form an eye on this end with this open spot here. Join it all together, and then cut this leg right here, these two that are connected, and that'll form the 3 legs. Somehow twist it all together, maybe square it up, and there you go. Bob's your uncle, you got a treble hook, I think. So we'll see. So yeah, at any rate, yeah, I just want to have some fun. I don't have tons of time, like I said. I've got to get to the gym, keep in good shape. So I really appreciate everyone for watching, and I'll do my best with the videos moving forward. So yeah, let me get to it, and we'll see how this one turns out. Thanks. Here's a close-up of my simple drawing. I need to thank 3 folks for their generous donations to my channel. No matter how rudimentary my videos are, they all involve more time than most imagine, and people like this help make it possible for me to put these videos together. Those people are Gary Johnson, Nikolai Tilagin, and Corey Backeland. Thanks very much. I didn't expect that leg to protrude so far up, so I'll just push that little nub down and then cut it off later.
As with most of these small projects I do for videos, I've never done this before. Just thought about it and thought it would make a good video, and you can tell by how I hammer sometimes, how I'll stop, think, and turn the piece, that I'm figuring things out as I go along. So there it is. I really like this one, and I can see a lot of functional and decorative uses for this sort of a project, and I'll do this again in different variations for sure. Catch you guys next time.